Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Lauren.
And we're the owners of Shankweiler's Drive-In in Orefield, Pennsylvania. We are going to be closed on Thanksgiving as Lauren and I are visiting our parents and our family and actually taking a day off, which is
very rare.
Rare and very special for us, and we're thankful for that, for sure. We do have an encore screening tonight ahead of Thanksgiving of Wicked and Twisters, which is the double feature we ran this past weekend. And then this coming Friday, we pick it back up with our regular operating schedule, but we do change up the co-feature. We will have Wicked once again defying gravity on our big screen, but we will also have Uncle Buck, which we call holiday adjacent. It's not quite a holiday movie, but it's definitely a way of warming up into the festive programming that we have right around the corner.
Starting next week, we're going to get into our holiday programming. And the past couple years, we've done holiday matinees on Sundays, and they've been like wildly popular. So we decided we should expand that and do it on Saturdays and Sundays this year so that more people would be able to attend it. So next week is our very first weekend of matinees. Thursday and Friday, and then our regular hours, and then Saturday and Sunday, the showtime is 5 o'clock. Our first matinee movie is going to be called Nick of Bethlehem. It is filmed locally here in the Lehigh Valley, and apparently has a lot of little Easter eggs filmed around the area, talking about businesses in the area.
It's a lot of fun that we have a movie about our area, and of course it stars our BFF, Danny Roebuck, who's going to be here
on December 7th.
We're excited to welcome Danny back on both the big screen and here at the drive-in. You may have seen him previously in other prestigious roles. He played Santa before, not long ago, in Terrifier 3. And we also had
that.
And what else was he in that was played recently?
We also showed him in
Final Destination.
Final Destination. And 12 to Midnight.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, we just like...
So he's been on a roll on our screen. We've had him.
You might recognize him from some of his other stuff. He was in the original Matlock TV show, but my personal favorite role of his was he played Dr. Arst on Lost.
Not only are you going to be treated to a 5 o'clock showtime of St. Nick of Bethlehem, but Danny Roebuck himself will also be joining us on the lot ahead of the program.
And then we'll have a 7 p.m. screening of Wicked. So still have a brand new movie after all of this. Just a little extra holiday matinee fun.
And that's just the kickoff. We have all kinds of fun, festive programming all month long, and the matinees will continue every Saturday and Sunday. So keep an eye on our social media, sign up for our emails, because we give you a nice comprehensive breakdown of everything that's going on this month, and there's a lot of stuff on the horizon, so that's a good way to keep everything organized. Like Santa. Another Santa. So many Santas. Which one's the real Santa? You decide. So we'll see you at the movies.
Have a happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.